I did it. I finally got my hands on a Jeep Gladiator, and if you know me at all, you know I can't leave anything alone. I'm already addicted to modifying this thing, and the only problem is I find myself tinkering around when the sun goes down, and that's where things kind of get tricky. It's tough to see what you're doing, and my phone flashlight just doesn't cut it. Plus, with the doors and top off, the interior gets incredibly dusty. That's where this little gadget comes in, this JisuLife Ultra2, and it's become my go-to tool for all my Jeep things. Not all my Jeep things, but it definitely takes care of a few things that I need this for. It's so much more than just a fan. First things first, the flashlight. This thing is clutch for seeing what I'm doing when it's dark. It's super bright and it lets me get a clear look at every bolt and wire. No more fumbling around with my phone. Not to mention, I use my phone for tutorials to watch how to do things and follow along for instructions, so I can't be using that plus the phone's flashlight, so I need my own thing. And if you know me too, in previous videos and just content, I love things that are all-in-one kind of stuff. It's not just one function, it's multifunctional, which is perfect for a Jeep because if you know Jeeps, there's limited storage, and especially a Gladiator. There's even less storage than a regular Jeep. I need to be pretty mindful about my space. And speaking of problems, my interior gets pretty dusty with the doors off. Check this out. The 100 wind speed adjustment is perfect for blowing away any of the dust and debris that might collect. While I'm working, my phone is always running out of battery because I'm looking up tutorials. The Ultra2 is also a power bank, so I can be charging my phone right here while I work, which is a lifesaver. The 25-hour superior battery life means that it lasts through a whole weekend of modding without needing a charge. And then, after a long day of working on the Jeep, especially on a hot day, and I live in a pretty hot climate, this fan is perfect for cooling me down. The powerful airflow quickly blasts away the sweat and cools me down, helping me stay composed and sweat-free. So there you have it. The JisuLife Ultra2 isn't just a fan. It's a cooling device, a flashlight, a power bank, and a powerful blower for cleaning. It's a perfect companion for anyone that loves to work on their vehicle or just needs a versatile tool for everyday use. And even for just blowing off my front porch at the studio is just clutch to have things like that. I can just quickly go to my Jeep and get it done. If you're tired of carrying around multiple gadgets or just want to stay cool and comfortable this summer, or you just need something for going camping later on, you need to check out this Ultra2 handheld fan. I've included a link to the product and a special discount code for any viewers in the description below. Be sure to order one using my link and the code to get yours today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think down in the comments of this JisuLife Ultra2.